101.5 Ways to make money from home. Find work as a house sitter. Perform data entry. Take online surveys and share your opinion. Start a blog. Rent your parking space. Get paid to complete online tasks. Become a website testie. Become a product tester. Create videos and earn money through advertising. Create video reviews. Freelance writing. Virtual assistant. Graphic design. Get a babysitting job. Social media and paid advertising management. Website management. Review products. Online proofreading. Online transcription work. Design and sell t-shirts. Online data entry. Start a YouTube channel. Medical coding and billing. Online tutoring. Sell lesson plans. English language instruction. Sell your crafts online. Online translation services. Sell your used books online. Develop an app. Start dropshipping. Calligraphy and penmanship. Create and sell stationery. Create and sell gift cards. Launch an online course. Become an Instagram influencer. Become a voiceover artist. SEO work for small businesses. Trade in electronics for cash. Be a call center rep. Become a virtual assistant. Pet sitting. Sell your own items online. Tutor students online. Publish an ebook. Sell services online. Create sales funnels. Sell consulting services. Start a home daycare. Manage a website. Become a dog walker or dog sitter. Grow and sell your own produce. Start a mini salon. Teach music lessons. Rent your car. Put your drone to work. Rent your clothes. Open a nail studio at home. Play games online and compete for rewards. Participate in online market research. Become a Twitch streamer. Find programming bugs. Sell stuff online. Sell your artwork. Get paid to exercise. Sell stock photos. Create and sell woodworking. Become a personal trainer. Become a yoga instructor. Plan travel for others. Become a consultant. Do micro tasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Play online games. Fix search engine mistakes. Sell your junk mail. Sell coupons online. Sell your notes. Invest in stocks. Sell your troubleshooting skills. Buy and sell domain names. Create an audiobook. Cook or bake for special occasions. Meal prep for others. Become a business or life coach. Create a paid mastermind group. Get paid to exercise. Review apps and websites. Become an online juror. Sell on Amazon via FBA. Create and sell access to an online course. Sell unused gift cards. Cut your cable. Negotiate your bills. Get the best bank bonus. Offers. Become a TikTok consultant. Sell your wares on Etsy. Checking to save money. Sign up for free gift cards. Earn cash back for everything you spend on. Lend money to others. Invest in dividend stocks. Invest in real estate. List your spare room area on Airbnb. Create a drop service business. Launch a podcast. Subscribe now for more money tips. Thank you for watching.